Looking to add interaction to your radio buttons in your wireframe? In this video, we are going to show you how to create an interactive single-choice button in under 2 minutes using MockFlow. We've already created a couple of radio buttons and named them male and female. Next, we are going to create 2 button states, one for the selected state and the other for the unselected state to showcase how the radio buttons work when selected. Using MockFlow's layers feature, we are going to name the selected state components as radioactive male and radioactive female for easy identification. Then, we will use the Show Hide option to hide the selected state radio buttons by default. Now it's time to add interaction and make the radio buttons interactive. Select the male radio button and add an interaction. Choose mouse click as the trigger. For the action, we will select Show Radioactive Male and hide Radioactive Female. This will be triggered when the male radio button is clicked. Next, we are going to add another interaction for the female radio button. Select it, choose mouse click as the trigger, and for the action, set Show Component to Radioactive Female. And hide component to radioactive male. This interaction will be the exact opposite of the previous one and will be triggered when the female radio button is clicked. Once the interactions are done, click on View to test them out. When you click on the male radio button, it selects male, and the female radio button becomes unselected. Similarly, when you click on the female radio button, it selects female, and the male radio button becomes unselected. And that's how you can create interactive single-choice radio buttons in under 2 minutes using MockFlow. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more prototyping tutorials.